Welcome back everyone to another informative video on our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss for all the Windows 11 users out there. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to take a screenshot, but your laptop or PC doesn't have a dedicated screenshot button? Well, worry no more, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots in Windows 11 without using the screenshot button. So, let's dive right in and crack the Windows. The first method we'll explore is using the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is a built-in screenshot tool in Windows that allows you to capture and annotate specific areas of your screen. To open the Snipping Tool, simply click on the Start button, type Snipping Tool, and hit Enter. Once you have the Snipping Tool open, you can select the type of snip you want, such as a freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, or full screen snip. After selecting the desired snip type, simply click and drag your cursor to capture the area you want to screenshot. Once you release the cursor, the screenshot will be saved automatically. You can then annotate, save, or share the screenshot directly from the Snipping Tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Using the Windows key plus print screen, another quick and convenient way to take screenshots in Windows 11. By pressing the Windows key and the print screen key simultaneously, you can instantly capture a screenshot and save it directly to your Pictures folder in a subfolder named Screenshots. Once you've taken the screenshot, you can navigate to the Pictures folder, locate the Screenshots subfolder, and find your captured image there. It's a simple and efficient method that doesn't require any additional tools or applications. If you prefer a more flexible way to capture screenshots, the Windows key plus Shift plus S shortcut is perfect for you. This keyboard shortcut activates the built-in Snip and Sketch tool in Windows 11, allowing you to capture and annotate any area of your screen. When you press the Windows key, Shift key, and the letter S simultaneously, your screen will dim, and the Snip and Sketch toolbar will appear at the top. From there, you can select the desired snip type, annotate the screenshot, and save or share it as needed. Did you know that the game bar in Windows 11 can also be used to capture screenshots, even if you're not playing games? The game bar is a built-in feature designed for gamers, but it can be utilized for other purposes as well. To access the game bar, you can either press the Windows key plus G or use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Alt plus R to begin recording and capturing screenshots simultaneously. Once the game bar is open, you can click on the camera icon or use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Alt plus PRTSCN to take a screenshot. The captured screenshot will be saved in the Captures folder under Videos in your File Explorer. And that's all several methods to take screenshots in Windows 11 without using the screenshot button. Whether you prefer using the Snipping Tool, keyboard shortcuts like Windows key plus print screen or Windows key plus Shift plus S, or even the game bar, Windows 11 offers a variety of options to suit your needs. So, the next time you find yourself in need of a screenshot, give these methods a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.